Hey guys, back with another video of our MJX line or MJX rebuilds that we did, our modifications and updates, our GT conversions. This is actually our second 14210 GT conversion that we had done. Our first one crashed and it was completely my fault and bent the frame, so I decided to build a new one. This was the second one. This is the one that you saw do 111. I crashed this at 118, and I was going backwards. I landed on power, and that's completely my fault that that broke. That was not the fault of the motor at all. That was completely driver error. And yeah, so we're waiting on a new motor to come in, and we'll get this one back on the road. And hopefully we get that clean 120 pass on here. So we got another one. This is while I was waiting for this motor to come in. It started this build. This is basically the same concept as this, but with a larger motor and different pinion and spur gear setup. This also has comparatively to that, has a bigger power system on this one here. This has got a Mamba Monster X6S, and this has got a Mamba Monster X8S system, and this is a 36, I forget, 36 something can on there. And you can see the lights are a little bit different in the front, one with a different light setup. Also got lights in the back here, light bar, and it has the GNS performance analyzer on the back to get the speeds of the car. On this model as well, like I did on this one, it has a parallel. I converted the receiver box into a parallel connection for the battery, so I can have a battery on this side, and you can see the connection there as well on this side. Put the power button there. On this one, this is also a metal chassis with the carbon side skirts and front splitter. See, I mounted that on there with a piece of carbon fiber. I'll probably strap the performance analyzer in when I run it with a piece of Velcro or something. And I was waiting on some parts for that, so I started another one. So this is a revision of these two as far as the frame and chassis. So on this one also has a carbon chassis brace up top. You can find those online now, but this one is mainly carbon. Take a look here. This has just got the metal brace down the center, and this is a solid. This here is a solid carbon plate in the main chassis area, and on the front, this has got the front splitter as well. I did a little bit better job on this one. The two extra holes there for the lights in the front, and then on the back here, I'm using a different bracing for the light. I don't have a light on it yet, but this one is a little bit too, moves around too much, so I don't want the vibration to change, like the performance of the car going down pretty fast. You don't want anything moving around or flopping around, and especially on the rear end. So on this one, I revised it. This is a lot tougher than this. This is a little bit flimsy. But yeah, so hopefully we get a run in tomorrow. This is the old body that was on this one, and then we're gonna get some new paint for that one here, so we can get a run in. I'm probably gonna run this tomorrow with this body. Yeah, I'm probably just gonna do that tomorrow, because I'm probably gonna go light just to test out the gear setup, and probably go with the 2S run and a 3S run, see how that does, see if the motor gets hot, and see if I have any issues with how that is set up there with the pinion on the outside of the gearbox and the spur on the outside. So we'll see how that works out. But just want to get a video to you. It's speed run coming soon of this new thing, and then once we get this thing back on the road, we will get another speed run there. And then of course we're going to build this one up. Not sure what I'm going to put in there as far as electronics and motor yet. We'll see how this performs, and I'll take it from there. So hopefully this thing performs well tomorrow, and we'll move it up to 4S, 5S, and 6S runs, hopefully, if everything goes well. So thanks for watching. We'll get another run out soon, but this is our new build. This is where we're going with these builds. Appreciate it. Have a good one.